اصبري لا تجزعي.
Everyone is talking about the red heifers, so I thought I'll pass some information on in regards to them. Firstly, the red heifers hold a great significance in the Jewish tradition. Firstly, they have to be red. They can't be black or white. They can't have one black hair or white hair. They have to be fully red. Secondly, they have to be between the age of 2 to 3. They can't be yoked. They can't be used for any other reason. They have to be fully pure. They were brought from Texas, 5 of them, all the way to Israel. Now what will happen to them? On the 22nd of April, those 5 heifers will be sacrificed and their ashes will be used to purify and cleanse the rabbis. What will happen thereafter? Those rabbis will then make the intention of building the third temple. Where will the third temple be made? They say that the third temple will be made in the place of Masjid al-Aqsa. Now obviously as a Muslim and as a believer, it brings great discomfort to my heart and your heart, no doubt. I was speaking to the Imam of Masjid al-Aqsa and he told me, he said, Amir, they have built so much underneath the Masjid of Al-Aqsa that I don't know how Masjid Al-Aqsa is standing. Now when I look back to what he was saying at that time, Sheikh Yusuf Abu Sulayna, and I see what is happening today with these red heifers, it just brings the reality more closer, that they are trying to bring about the Dajjal more closer. But what does Allah Almighty say in the Quran? Allah says they plan and you plan, and Allah Almighty is the best of planners, and the plan of Allah Almighty will come to reality. Doesn't matter what they do and how they do it. No doubt they have brought a holocaust about to those people of Gaza and Palestine. I pray to Allah Almighty that He alleviates their problems, and this thing that is going to happen, inshallah ta'ala, it makes our iman, our faith in Allah Almighty more stronger, inshallah.
I've never heard of such a thing in Islam at all. And this is some of the bogus teachings of the Jews. And I'm not Jewish, I'm not a rabbi, so I don't know about these things. But in our religion, Islam, we have no mentioning of this, and it has no significance at all.